Hi friends, welcome back to Orash YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is about how you can extend the background of any image within just 1 minute. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first step, like always, is to open the image. You want the background to be extended. Then it's better if we press Ctrl- twice to get some room on our screen. Now select the crop tool and make sure in the options bar content aware option is ticked. If you're using Adobe Photoshop latest version, then you should have this option. Now it's time to extend the right area like this. Now it's time to extend the left area. You can also count the pixels which is showing in the tooltip to make it more accurate. Okay, I think a little bit more needs to be done like this. Okay, now it's time to press the enter key to commit the changes and let the magic of Photoshop work. Well, this is it, but if you're more curious about the finished image, you may see there's a lot of repetition within the background. So you can always take the spot healing brush tool, increase or decrease the brush size with the brackets and click on the repetitions or start painting on the repetitions so no one can guess. You can also use the clone stamp tool. The shortcut key for the clone stamp tool is S on your keyboard. Take a sample with holding down the Alt key and paint one area to another to make it look more realistic. Okay, that's fine. There's also another method of doing the same thing. So let me just revert this image to its original state by pressing F12 or going to the file menu and hit revert, which will undo anything you've done so far. The revert may not work if you have saved your file already or you have reached the maximum undo limit. By the way, to increase your undo limit in Adobe Photoshop, I already made a video about this on how to increase the undo limit in Adobe Photoshop. You can also check that out. The link of that video is in the description. Okay, the second method here is to select the crop tool. We will just uncheck the content aware option, increase the size towards the right side and do the same on the left side. Hit enter and now it's time to select the rectangular marquee tool. Select an area here, hold down the shift, select the area on the right. Now it's time to fill this with content aware. Press shift F5 or go to edit and choose fill. Make sure under content it says content aware. Hit OK and you're good to go. But we have this little problem on the left side. You can fix that using either the lasso tool or rectangular marquee tool, but I will choose the lasso tool. The shortcut key for the lasso tool is L on your keyboard, but if some other tool gets selected in the same group, just keep pressing shift L until lasso tool is selected. Now make a selection around the problematic area, press shift F5 or go to edit fill and choose content aware once again, and this will get fixed. So hope you liked today's Adobe Photoshop tutorial. If you did, make sure you are a subscriber of Orash.